Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest gadgets and home essentials. Today, we're taking a look at the bObsweep PetHair robot vacuum cleaner and mop in its classy champagne color. This isn't just any robot vacuum. It's designed to vacuum, sweep, mop, shine UVC light, and filter out particles, all in one go. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dirt, or allergens, Bob promises to tackle it all. First, let's break down the key specs. Bob's dustbin can hold up to 1,100 milliliters, which is significantly larger than the typical 500 milliliter dustbins on many robot vacuums. This means less frequent emptying, making it more convenient for larger spaces or for homes with pets. Bob's main brush stretches 11 inches in a single sweep, allowing it to cover more ground quickly. The side brush has 12 arms, giving it impressive reach to clean corners and edges effectively. For filtration, Bob uses a dual filter system that's designed to capture fine particles, ideal for those sensitive to dust and allergens. But how does it perform? Bob is built to clean a variety of surfaces, from hardwood and tile to carpets. It navigates your home autonomously, carefully avoiding stairs or cliffs thanks to its sensors. And when it needs a recharge, Bob knows to return to its charging station. Another interesting feature is the UVC light, which helps sanitize the floors, giving you peace of mind that not only is it cleaning, but it's also tackling germs. Now, let's talk about real-world use. Setting up Bob is as easy as pie. You can program it to clean on a set schedule, whether daily or just on the weekends. I've tested it on both hardwood floors and rugs, and it does a solid job picking up dust, dirt, and hair. For those of you with pets, Bob truly lives up to its pet hair title. The suction power is decent, and its large dustbin certainly helps with the volume of hair Bob can pick up between emptying sessions. On hard floors, it glides effortlessly, but on carpets, you'll see it working a little harder to pick up embedded dirt. The mopping function is a nice touch, but keep in mind, it's not meant to replace your full-sized mop. It works best for light mopping tasks or after a vacuum session, removing light spills or dust. The UVC light is an additional bonus, though I wouldn't rely on it solely for sanitizing your home. In terms of usability, Bob is relatively easy to handle. I did notice it's a bit on the noisy side, especially in high power modes, but nothing too unbearable. The battery life is solid, and it can last through a whole cleaning cycle without needing a recharge. However, keep in mind that Bob returns to its station once the battery is low, so you won't have to worry about it randomly shutting off mid-clean. It's also worth noting that Bob's performance on carpet may not match that of more traditional vacuums or higher-end robot vacuums. While it does a good job on light and medium pile carpet, thicker rugs might give it a challenge. When it comes to maintenance, Bob's dustbin is large enough that you won't need to empty it after every use, but you'll still want to do so after a few cycles, especially if you've got a lot of pet hair. The brush roll and side brush are also easy to clean and maintain, but like any vacuum, you'll need to clear out tangles if you have long hair or pets. On the plus side, the build quality feels sturdy, and Bob's sensors work well to avoid obstacles and stairs. It's fairly compact, so it won't take up too much space in your home. Plus, the 1-year limited warranty gives some added peace of mind, backed up by 5 years of subsidized service and solid US-based support. But is it worth the price? Considering its features, especially the larger dustbin, UVC light, and dual filter system, it's a competitive option for anyone looking for an all-in-one robot vacuum and mop solution. Its performance on hard floors and its pet hair capabilities make it a solid choice for pet owners. The mopping function, while not a full replacement for a traditional mop, is still useful for light cleaning. Battery life is on par with other models, and the self-charging function is a nice touch, ensuring you won't have to constantly monitor it. In terms of value for money, Bob sits in the middle of the pack when it comes to robot vacuums. It's not the cheapest option, but it offers a lot of features that you won't find in lower-priced models. Compared to some other robot vacuums in this price range, such as the iRobot Roomba or Eufy models, Bob's additional mopping function and larger dustbin make it a good option for those who want an all-in-one solution. However, If you're primarily looking for a vacuum that excels in deep carpet cleaning, you might want to look at more powerful models that specialize in that area. If you're considering other robot vacuums, you might want to compare Bob with something like the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus, which offers similar functionality but might have a slightly stronger suction power, especially on carpets. However, it lacks the mopping feature and UVC light. Another alternative is the Eufy RoboVac G30, which is a more budget-friendly option, though it doesn't have the same level of filtration or the UVC light. Bob's build quality is solid, and it seems durable for a robot vacuum. The materials are mostly plastic, but they feel high quality, and the joints and hinges are well constructed. Long-term reliability is still to be seen, but based on the build, I expect it to hold up fairly well with regular use. Cleaning and maintaining Bob is straightforward, and unlike some robot vacuums, it doesn't require constant filter changes or tricky brush roll cleaning. It's a vacuum that works well out of the box and stays that way with minimal fuss. I didn't need to interact with customer support directly for this review, but it's worth noting that Bob is backed by a solid reputation for customer service, including a 1-year warranty and 5 years of subsidized service. That's something that can help you feel secure about the purchase, knowing you'll have support if you need it. To sum it up, the bObsweep PetHair Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop in Champagne is a strong contender in the robot vacuum market. It's ideal for homes with pets, those with a mix of hard floors and carpets, or anyone looking for a vacuum that can also mop. It's not the top choice for deep carpet cleaning, but it does a great job on hard floors and lighter carpet cleaning. The UVC light, large dustbin, and filtration system make it a great option for allergy sufferers or anyone looking to sanitize their floors while vacuuming. With its solid build quality, ease of use, and strong customer support, Bob offers good value for the price. If you need something that can handle pet hair, light mopping, and different floor types, Bob is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you out, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to Reviewsinsidetv for more in-depth reviews. And if you have any questions or if you already own Bob, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Let's keep the messes to a minimum and the floors sparkling clean.